Guys, this is my first time in BJ's ever in life. And there's nobody at the door checking your card. Might have to be Team BJ's and not Team Costco. What? Don't even look at my house and don't even look at the fact that I still have my Christmas tree up. I have to get it together. This week has been insane, and that's why my house looks like this. And the Christmas tree being up is honestly just my toxic trait, but I am filling up the goodie bags for tomorrow. I am so grateful and so appreciative of all the brands that were so down to kind of send me stuff. I'm so excited for tomorrow. It's just gonna be so much fun. I'm truly on an event high, and I just really wanna have an event every month. Even though it stresses me out, I still wanna do it. Maybe not every month, just something in the space of having my community come together, even if it's on the small scale. That's what I'm spending my night doing, and I'm so excited for you guys to see the full recap of it because it's gonna be so cute. Okay, let me get back to work.
Hi. Good morning. Good morning.
Hi y'all, welcome to my Little Words Project Galentine's Day event. Okay, thank you for coming. Tell me your name.
Thank you, Nadej.
Why did you choose your word on your bracelet today?
I chose to be courteous because it's something my dad always says, and some people can be nice and nasty to you, and I have to remember sometimes just don't say anything back. Just be courteous. So I think about my dad when that happens, but also it's just the right thing to do to be the bigger person. Be courteous.
I think it's also a really good reminder for everyone because people need to be courteous.
Looking back at them, so hello, be nice.
A little bit of a reminder.
Yeah.
Yes, I love that.
So I picked the phrase and it was good. And I feel like I just always get really low, and I feel like sometimes you think about there's positivity in the world, everything's good, everything's fine. So I like the phrase and it was good. Yeah.
So I did intuition, and I chose that because sometimes you just really be knowing, and self-doubt and your inner thoughts get in the way and you don't listen to your intuition, and then your intuition ends up being right. So that's my mantra for the year, to be more intuitive.
So I picked grace because this year I usually pick a word for the year every year. I started that practice maybe 3 years ago, and so this year I picked the word grace because I'm really trying to focus on having grace with myself, because I found that I can be pretty hard on myself, so I'm trying to have grace with myself, but then also extend that grace to other people as well, giving people the benefit of the doubt and things like that. So that's my word for the year, so I just wanted to have it on me all the time.
Okay, guys, this is
Johnny Komodo.
Johnny. How long have you been my friend?
I think it's...
Hurry up, you should know the answer already.
Years. Do you know?
Yeah, I do. 2018.
Yeah, I know, but
Too late.
I was doing the math.
Too late.
6 years already.
Can you show us some photos? Can you bring it up? How do you do, y'all? How do you do? How do you do? How do you do?
I got Tyler doing her little...
Cute.
On the scene live.
We love it. We love it. We love it. Always appreciated, Johnny. You are always appreciated. Guys, thank you so much for coming, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed virtually being at my Galentine's Day event with Little Words Project. Love you. Bye.